Hello guys, it's UCHEGOD. So today I want to show you how I compact my tripod screen projection stand. That's LGTP372 bulk. So as you can see, I've already removed it from the carton, and here is our projector screen. And this is called 72 by 72. So merely looking at it, you can see it's very tall. I think it's 6 feet tall because me, I'm 5 point something. So come close. So looking at it, you see it has a clip, the green clip. It has to be straight. It has to be open. This is the close, while this is the open. It has to be open. Now looking here, you see a knob. This knob, you can lose it in order to adjust the height of the projector stand. You can lose, then you adjust, or you bring it down and lock. This knob is adjustable. So when you adjust it, you tilt your screen to the left. Okay, you twist it to the right, and before that you have to make sure that you spread out the base. This is the stand. Make sure you spread it out for it to have a base. Then you can clip it. Come close so they'll see. When you spread it out, make sure you clip it. If you spread it out, this can be here. When you spread this out, you bring it down, you clip it. Then after you've clipped it, you can easily tilt it to anywhere you want. So go back so they see how I drag it up. So after I've clipped it, I drag it up to the handle. As you can see, it's already on the handle now. I've dragged it up. You can see this is 72 by 72. I can drag it more further because it's a wide screen. So look as I drag it further. So you can see it's a very big, wide projector stand. You can see the wide, yes, 72 by 72, which is approximately 6 feet at height and the length by width. So this is your smart projector screen for your church, for your program, for whatever thing. This is how you unbox it and use it well. So make sure you follow the steps and I just saved you money, because some persons you have to pay them for them to install this for you. But I've taught you now. So make sure to like and subscribe and follow our YouTube channel for more tutorial. Thank you.